Very rarely are you going to find that a one size fits all solution is going to be the answer to all your problems. There's a lot of different variables involved, and it just all really depends on how you're set up. And then this debate about it's going to be all cloud or not is something that we really shouldn't be having a conversation with, in my opinion, today. There was a point in time when people thought that everything should just move to the cloud and that was it. And some people realize like, hey, this doesn't work for me. So we need to make sure that some of these things that aren't super critical for our organization are outsourced to the cloud, and those other things that we need to have tighter control over belong in a private data center. This world of hybrid IT environments is definitely the reality that we're in today, where we're going to have that mix between cloud-based infrastructure and then having that integrate to on-premise or private cloud environments. That's definitely something that I agree with completely, 100%. The real question when you're thinking about this move to the cloud is, what are some of the things that I'm okay with giving up that control? It could be a phone system, it could be an email server, it could be any of those things. That I like to look at it this way: it could be any of those things that you don't consider core to your business. So, for instance, if you're not an organization that specializes in managing phone systems or managing servers, you probably shouldn't be managing that on your own. The other thing I look at too when it comes to cloud based infrastructure, are you able to get those economies of scale on your own versus utilizing the services of the cloud? So, for instance, if you invest in that server based infrastructure for your organization, are you going to have the expertise? Are you going to have the knowledge and the capabilities to take care of that infrastructure? Or is that something that you're going to be struggling with finding the right people, finding the right resources to take care of that stuff? If that's you and it's going to be a struggle for you to manage that stuff all on your own, then you're probably better off partnering with a cloud provider, some type of managed service provider, something along those lines. So, once again, no one size fits all solution for this question, but definitely ask yourself, what am I good at? What do I struggle with? And then find those partners that can help augment or take that off your plate altogether. You don't have to do this alone, and this is something that we really need to be asking ourselves what we're really good at.